2015 jet Wrangler engine type 346 post. How to deployment oil pressure solenoid and location. First time you put the car on the track, and first time take off the engine oil cover and then the oil location, the oil pressure sensor solenoid here, and you take off the oil pressure sensor, the old wood, and new part number. OPS 100, and you put the new, take off the old and put the new, and find the corner inside here and corner, and you put the corner. Okay. Hello. Here, there, move here, there. Yeah. The corner. Okay. Yeah. Keep the right. You keep the pin, Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
You want to just have the clip.
Yeah. Okay. And you put the key, pressure sensor, switch. And the clean the oil pan. Come. Clean the oil pan. Clean the oil pan cover. Oil pressure sensor. And injector the oil pan. Oil pressure sensor. Thank you watching video. If you like, you support for me. Thank you. Next time I put new video.